Hello, how are you? Let me do a quick demo of the Turnitin. So, I will send the video to you after this. So, as you can see, this is Turnitin. This is Turnitin. Are you getting me? So, we're just going to log in. But as you can see, this is the face. As you can see, it's all. Now, if you check these dates, as you can see, these are current dates, 25/06/19, and this is 18. Are you getting me? So, all these two documents has been checked today, and this was yesterday's document. Are you getting me? So, this is a similarity report, and this is the AI report. So, if you want to get the, the similarity reports document, you can click on download. Once you click on download, we're going to start downloading. Same thing with the AI. If you click on it, it's going to start downloading. Are you getting me? So, let me just do a quick. Let me just show you how to. Let's say, for example, we pick this, come over here, you can see. So at this point, you can click, it depends on what you want. You can click to exclude bibliography or citation, but most times it's always these two, or you can click more depending on which one you want. So you click on upload. Are you getting me? So as you can see, uploading is the 100%. It's very fast. It's very fast. In case you want to upload bulk documents now, you can click on this drop down. As you can see, bulk upload. Are you getting me? That's if you want to upload 10, 7, depending on the number of documents you want to upload. But this is just an example to show you that this thing is working perfect. And another thing I need to let you know is you have unlimited check for your quality. I get you can check as much as possible. I get him. And let's say, for example, you probably you want to delete a document. But one side to make you understand is whatever document you submit here is not going to be saved on Turnitin server. Let me show you some. Look at it here. Your file will not be stored in any repository. It is clearly stated there. I get me. So you have nothing to worry about. Everything is all working fine. I get me. As you can see, this is till today, 19. Are you getting me? So, and in case you need any more information or anything, you can always contact me directly. I would always talk about it and see what to do with it. You get me? So this is just a quick demo. And in case you want to search out for a file, maybe you check a lot of files. This one you can increase it to 100 displays once. Are you getting me? Because it's 100 display. This is just few documents. So if you want to search for a document out, maybe you checked it 3 or 2 days ago, you can click here and you type the name of the document and it's going to come out with it. So I guess that's all for now. So if you need any more information, you can just let me know.